The newest testing strategy for Facebook ads in 2019 for Shopify. Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome to another Shopify video. I'm Shri Kanase, and today we're going to be again diving more into Facebook ads and speaking a little bit about some of the new strategies that I have begun to use when it comes to Facebook ads. Stick till the end because I'm going to be revealing a lot of important things when it comes to Facebook ads and also some brand new ways of testing your product so that you can find much more success with Facebook ads. But I had actually made a whole course on just Facebook ads. The link is down in the description below, and if you get the course now, just use the special promotion code THANKYOU50 for an additional $50 off the course. It really dives into Facebook ads and basically goes through the ins and outs of Facebook marketing and how to master it. But like always, if you're new to my channel, pause this video for about 2 seconds and smash that subscribe button down below. And if this is not the first time you're watching one of my videos, you know the drill. Pause this video and like the video to show support. But without further ado, let's jump right into Facebook ads marketing and see what changes have come. Alright guys, so the main changes when it comes to Facebook ads for 2019 and onwards is with the testing strategy. Now normally if you had already watched some of my previous videos on Facebook ads, they still work by the way, but there are slight few changes that have been made to the overall strategy. And if you guys know me, you know that I always like to test around a lot by myself instead of really relying on anybody else's strategies. I believe in creating my own strategies which work for my own ad account. So even though I can't guarantee you that you'll 100% find success with the strategies I put out, what I can guarantee is that I'm giving you the strategies which work for me and have got me to the point where I'm at today. But the first thing that has changed when it comes to testing via Facebook ads is the placement. Now normally, I used to recommend that you do edit placement and then do mobile only Facebook feeds, but I believe that there is a much better strategy now in 2019 when it comes to testing products, and that is automatic placements. You may be thinking, whoa, hold on a minute, Shri, what are you on right now? Every single Shopify so-called guru out there says to not use automatic placement and stay away from it like the plague. So why on earth are you recommending to use automatic placements? The main reason why I started leaning towards automatic placements is because not only have I been getting better results with automatic placements these past few weeks and months, but it is also a more logical thing to do when it comes to Facebook ads. Now think about it, Facebook ads has been running for years and years. The algorithm that your pixel basically follows has been there for a lot of time and works systematically. When you put on automatic placements, Facebook knows which placement will work the best for your ad because of the previous data it has already gotten. It's not like Facebook ads is blindfolded and is shooting darts without really seeing the direction. It's more of the opposite. Facebook has tons and tons of data from the past to look into and decide where to place your ads correctly for the most ROAS. And personally, I've tested a lot of products in the past where they absolutely did really bad on Facebook feeds, but when I coincidentally tested the same product on something like Instagram story or Instagram feed, the product turned out to be a winner. I would have not found out that that product is a winning product had I continued to only use Facebook feeds mobile placement. And although that was an effective way to go, right now it is more effective that you try using auto placements to let Facebook take the decision of where to place your ads. Because again, Facebook is not stupid. Facebook knows based on previous data where to show your ads more at. In fact, when you do automatic placements, what Facebook does is Facebook allocates more of your budget. So let's say you have $5 per day ad set or $10 per day ad set. Facebook is going to allocate that $5 per day or $10 per day to the placement which is bringing your ad the best results. So let's also write this down. Facebook allocates more of your ad set budget to the placement that is doing the best. And in the beginning, it may test out all the placement just to get an idea of which placement is responding the best, but Facebook usually does that pretty quickly, and once that's done, it starts allocating almost 95% of your budget to that placement alone. So in the end, automatic placements takes the decision of using the best placement for you. You don't have to worry about only targeting Facebook feeds, because when you only target Facebook feeds, you're really limiting yourself. So let's also write this down. Facebook feed targeting is limiting your success. And again, it is because each product is different. Each product will not do good on Facebook feeds, and I have personal experience with this. There are some products which will absolutely do really horrible on Facebook feeds but kill it on Instagram feed or any other placement. So this is why it is so important in 2019 to use automatic placements when it comes to testing products. The second thing when it comes to really testing your Facebook ads is the attribution window. Now, what do I mean by this? I mean the 7-day click / 1-day view, or the 1-day click, or the 1-day click / view content. You guys get my point. For attribution window, in the past, I would always recommend that you go with 1-day click because you want your customer to look at your ad on the first day and also click on it and purchase on that same day. But right now, things have changed a bit. I have begun to find much more success using the 1-day click / view content attribution window, and I think part of the reason is because I have a lot of retargeting ads running. What 1-day click / view content does is that it gives your customers the option of clicking on the first day or simply viewing the product on the first day. So even if they view the product on the first day but don't purchase, they're going to be bombarded with my retargeting ads, and this will in return give me even more profit for these people as well. In the first scenario where it was only 1-day click, Facebook was trying to find those individuals who were about 99% more likely to just click on the link to purchase. But in the second scenario where it's 1-day click or view content, not only is Facebook finding those people who are most likely to click, but Facebook is also finding those people who are also just most likely to view content. And what this is doing is it's slightly increasing your reach and adding more people to your retargeting list. So in the end, you make even more profits just because you're targeting two different pockets of the audience. And again, this has been really working best for me these past few weeks and months, and I've been able to see ROAS of up to 7 times just through this strategy. But these are the two biggest changes I have come about with Facebook ads starting this year, and these changes have been giving me the best results. Again, to recap, the reason why I have started doing automatic placement is because I want Facebook to decide which placement to put my ad on and allocate more resources to that placement. Again, Facebook feeds does not do the best for every single product out there. You will come across products which absolutely do really bad on Facebook feeds but kill it on other placements. So this is why it is so important for you to start testing new products using automatic placements to let Facebook do most of the work. And the second change when it comes to Facebook ads testing is the attribution window. Again, 1-day click or view content has been working much better than 1-day click alone, just because of the slightly higher reach of people Facebook is targeting and the more people that are getting added to the retargeting list and everything else. But like always, if you guys found any type of value in this video, don't forget to leave that like, and I'll see you guys next time.